Using Bitbucket with Android Studio allows you to manage your project's source code and collaborate with others seamlessly. Here's how to set it up and use it. Install Git. Ensure Git is installed on your machine. Android Studio typically integrates with Git automatically. If needed, configure Git in Android Studio by going to File, Settings, Version Control, Git. Create a Bitbucket repository. Sign up or log into Bitbucket. Click on Repositories, Create Repository. Name the repository and choose Git as the version control system. Clone repository in Android Studio. Open Android Studio and go to File, New, Project from Version Control. Select Git and enter the Bitbucket repository URL, which you can find on the repository page in Bitbucket. Click Clone. Commit and push changes. Make changes to your Android project. Go to VCS, Commit. Add the commit message and commit your changes. To push changes to Bitbucket, go to VCS, Git, Push. Confirm the branch and click Push. Branching and merging. Create new branches by going to VCS, Git, Branches and select New Branch. Switch between branches, merge changes and resolve conflicts directly within Android Studio. Pull request. For collaboration, create pull request in Bitbucket to review and merge code changes with your team members.